This video will watch the best ratings for Christmas sweaters for men and women. The first item has over 2,260 customer reviews. Tipsy Elves Men's Ugly Christmas Sweaters featuring holiday best friends Jesus and Santa, 100% acrylic. The best Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals start now. Keep up with Santa and save with our lowest prices of the season. Start saving now with the best deals of the season. Keep up with Santa and save with our lowest prices of the year while they last. Comfy Cozy. Our ugly Christmas sweaters for men are perfect for staying warm and cozy this holiday season. Great for layering or wearing on its own. Stay comfortable even if the rest of your family makes the holidays awkward. Tactfully tacky with wild and imaginative embellishment on these ugly Christmas sweaters, you're sure to be the life of the party at whatever holiday party you end up at, even if you weren't invited. Holiday card ready. Step up your greeting card photo game this year. Make your outfit picture perfect from all angles and match with the people you hold closest. The whole family will be ready and matching with multiple styles and designs. Snug and stylish with Tipsy Elves' incredibly cozy and snug modern tailored fit. These aren't your grandma's ugly Christmas sweaters. You'll look so good this year. Santa will have no choice but to put you on the good list. The second item has over 1,220 customer reviews. The Ugly Christmas Sweater Company Holiday Ugly Xmas Crew Sweaters for Men, 100% cotton. Imported. Pull on the closure. Machine wash. Fine GG. Pullover crew neck sweater with argyle sleeves. Fits true to size. Be the hit of the Christmas party. The third item has over 562 customer reviews. Ugly Christmas Party Classic Knitted Ugly Christmas Sweater for Men and Women, cute funny animal sweaters. Cotton blends. Pull on the closure. Machine wash. Stand out. Get noticed at your Xmas pub crawl or office party with these tacky Christmas sweaters. Perfect for men, women, or couples. Be a force to reckon with at your ugly Christmas sweater contest. Premium knitted sweaters. Not just hilarious, your new knit long-sleeve pullover sweater will keep you comfy and cozy throughout your holiday get-together. Big and tall, sizes available from small to 4XL. For women or those wanting a slimmer fit. Yeti sweater, abominable snowman. More like a friendly snowman. Santa gets help from his Yeti friend to scale snowy mountains to help deliver presents. Materials 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Soft and long-lasting, machine washable, lay flat to dry. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.